players, so we're playing 6-on-5 again, just like last game. Stop. I need to get ready. I'll be the pinch player.
All together!
Come on!
There you go, Ryan. Over. There you go. There you go. Get this corner. There you go, kid.
Go, Timo! Let's go!
It's up. Call for it. It's a call.
Let's go!
Yell.
That's a comedy.
You gotta learn to yell with it in, kiddo. Come on. Skills. Move inside. Move inside the fight.
I was wondering why they
inside.
went further back.
There you go.
Hey.
You ever seen that one Tyler video? Say hi. Say hi.
What? That was straight to them.
No, that was.
Let's go, Timberwolves.
Oh, handsy.
Good pressure, Mike! Good pressure!
Notice how they have one girl right there. That's because they only have 5 people.
There you go, Liv.
Hey, keep it.
She's taking up Jayla's chase.
Yo, ease. Bro, look how good I am, bro.
And she gave it to... If she cut in and go straight off the scrum, then Jayla could have cried. I
You're
just
doing that on
cried.
purpose now.
Doing what?
Sit down and it's
No, I
right.
didn't. I went like this. It didn't even go on camera.
Yes, it did.
I did not.
I finally blew my nose. Ah, it felt nice.
They're shaking.
Cause it's so zoomed in that I have to keep it as steady as possible.
Let's go, Wolves! It's up. Let's go!
So they'll be like, excuse me.
Just can't hear that.
There's a piece of my gum huh? Where? In the back. Oh, that's really bad. What?
Good, Echo!
Okay. Ah, who's covering that?
Get that!
There you go, good. Helper. Let's move it now. Let's move it now. Good. Move it now. Good. Move it. One more.
Go!
There you go, Autumn. Go with her, Autumn. Go with her.
Got him.
Nice.
Oh, got him.
Nice move, kid.
That's sad. That was the slowest streak, and she still broke their ankles.
She's going low. Too late for her skate speed. She's going like this. Instead of.
Dang. She broke their ankles.
See, I know that she always cuts inside. Yeah.
Stubborn. This is weird. Oh, they're playing 4 now.
I like his mustache.
Dad, they're playing 4 now.
Hey, move us.
Oh, Dad.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, shoot.
You know, it's okay. Got a little injured, but you know, make the comeback. It's on you.
Get the run! You got her, Ryan! You got her! Catch her!
Her mouthpiece dropped. She didn't have to. Wait, how many? You're just stubborn.
Hey,
I don't even have to record this. We're doing player interviews now.
Yeah. Go on, Jayla. Go on, Jayla.
Here, go.
Kid?
Okay. Also, just take off your jacket and go play.
Here's your help!
I can. Of course I can.
There you go, Ryan!
No. Let's see. 3, 6. I could totally just hop in.
Also, Reagan, be there.
That's a stop.
You had every chance.
Up.
You always have it.
Guys, don't panic pass.
Let's go, Pippin! Spread out!
Go!
Run! Run!
Get there, Rucko!
Guys, move the ball!
What the?
No one roughed over.
That was
No one was there to
strange.
support, and they got the ball.
Step up! There you go, on up!
Yeah, Adam!
Go with Reagan, go with her!
Go around behind her. What the heck?
Open up! Guys, you're too close! Spread out!
Pick it up.
Pick it up! Go grab the ball!
Go get it!
Run, Kanani! Grab her! Yeah, Nani! Yeah, Nani!
Get the ball, Ryan, get the ball. Go now.
There
Go,
you
Ryan, run!
Nice, Kanani!
She just walked the first.
Oh!
Got him.
Oh, that's it.
Boy, what the heck? Why'd you beat us?
I'm like, yes, she's going to set it up. No. Wow, yeah. Player 2 has entered the chat. Good job, Lonnie. You guys ready for each? All of you guys.
No, I'm tired.
Ethel, you're going in.
I just went in.
Like an hour ago.
This is my moment. How was it? Wow. How did you feel saving that
good.
try?
Hustle up.
Good job.
Hey, you guys.
Cheers.
Hey, listen. No. Don't look behind you. Let's go. Get up here. Your team will get there. They'll follow you.
Ryan.
All right?
I'll grab it.
A lot of cardio. But just deep breath. You're doing fine. All right?
Come on, Etta.
That's you, Maya!
Come on,
Get
Etta.
there!
Come on, Etta. Go now.
Good. Go.
Good, Maya!
Sack the ball.
Yes, Debbie!
Let's go, Adam. Take it. Come on, Adam.
Good, Fatima!
Oh my god.
Nice job, Wolf!
Let's go! But at the same time, did we have space to be picking it up? Pick it up and then that's what we gotta keep the pace. We gotta. It's a good idea.
Let's go,
you made a decision, you went with it. Hey, I'm not gonna argue the point that it was good, but I would like to see both would like to see.
Etta.
Get
Get close
space,
over there.
and there's no one in
If
front of
there's
you.
nobody in front of you, get closer. Get close. Get close.
Picking it up.
And stay
I
5
know
meters.
it's a lot of running, a lot more.
Stay 5 meters. Taylor.
It ain't easy. By any means.
Taylor.
Nice job,
I can tell you not to do it.
Nothing's even happening.
Was there something successful that happened because of it? Did we get it? I mean, if I remember right, there was. We ended up getting a try out of it. But there's success and everything is success. Positive and negative. We'd like to see it keep on going, but there was a positive that came out of it.
Let's go!
Yes, Haley!
Take the pace. We just take the pace. Always remember that.
Guys, also!
We just take the pace. We dictate the aggressive play, the push.
Yes, Fatima!
Whoa, wait.
Yo.
Damn!
I know. But yeah, no. But it was fine to say. Yeah, very safe.
Come on, Haley! To
Yay!
space!
Space! There was no real negative to it. So.
Get that ball!
Get there, Jayla!
Yes!
There you go!
Good shot!
Which one?
Leave it! Leave it! Hey! Free kick! Help! Help! Help Adam! Help Adam! Help Adam! To the left! To the left! To the left, Tasso! To the left! To the left! To the left! To the left! Yeah, Haley!
Take her down!
Get the ball, Tom. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Yeah, now get the ball.
Take her down!
There you go. Come on. Aggressive. Get the ball.
So, you saw when Autumn.
That's a help. That's a help. That's a help.
That's awesome.
Ball. Stay with her.
Where was Autumn's pass?
Go for the ball. Go, Reagan, go. There, Reagan, drive. Drive, drive, drive. Drive, drive. Drive your feet.
Keep on going.
Go, go, go. Woo! Yeah.
Nice job, give it wall!
Good job,
Keep it up!
Stay under control. Make a pass. Make it here. Relax. Deep breath. If you can't make this pass, then go to the ground. If you can't make the correct, appropriate pass, if you're going to be out of control with it, just go to the ground. Let us see you go to the ground and us work over. Work over. Work.
There you go, kid. There you go, kid.
Way to go, guys. Seriously. Good job. Way to go. Way to go. Good game. Good game. Nice job. Nice job.
Moving on to player interviews. Let's see who our first person is. Choose Ryan.
Brian? Okay.
Ryan. How do you feel after that game?
I felt like a rock star, and I kind of did all the work.
Oh,
But like you guys played great. Thanks.
You hear it. She did all the work.
Media's not gonna like this.
Hey, not only how are you feeling?
I'm good. More.
It's an interview.
Hey.
Bro, get somebody else. Yeah. Get Autumn. Wait, wait. Autumn's right here. Coda, how do you feel after watching the game?
Oh, you need to work on your kicking.
Shut up! I made all my kicks. I can't say that.
You guys did good.
I made all my kicks.
You guys did good. More passing.
Also, put the mic. That's true.
More passing. You guys need to watch where you guys pass or just passing. You guys need to spread.
It's like right between age.
That's pretty much it.
Remember, he lost all his games, so his words aren't really valid.
1-1.
It's okay.
1-1. Okay.
Or dirty.
How you feeling?
You won one?
We won all.
Who's injured?
Well, I still played all right. I played all right. I made my tackles right. You missed your tackles, so don't say nothing.
I saw your foot getting wrapped. You're injured too. Aren't you injured too?
Boy.
Yeah. Also,
Get your start shit.
Also,
Don't talk shit again.
right now.
Yeah.